Gastric secretions. In this session, we will discuss detail regarding our concern with gastric secretions. The gastric secretion is watery, acidic, digestive fluid produced in the stomach. It is a watery fluid that has a pale yellow color. pH is about 1 to 3. The volume secreted per day is 2 to 3 liters. The stomach is famous for its secretion of acid, but acid is only one of four major secretory products of the gastric epithelium, all of which are important either to the digestive process or to control the gastric functions. When you see this chemical composition, it is 97 to 99% of water. It contains inorganic salts and organic components that include mucin, digestive enzymes, hormones, etc. Now, the gastric secretion is produced by the epithelium cells of gastric glands. When you see, there are different types of gastric gland. One of the most important is goblet cells or mucus cells. Are mucus cells which cover the entire lumen surface and extend down into the glands as mucous neck cells. This secretes a bicarbonate rich mucus that coats and lubricates the gastric surface and serves an important role in protecting the epithelium from hydrochloric acid and pepsin and other chemical insults. The gastric mucus bicarbonate barrier. This is the figure showing us this gastric mucus bicarbonate barrier. This is the mucous layer. This is the mucous layer. The mucous layer is physical barrier. When you see this is the mucous layer, it is the physical barrier. When you see this stomach lumen, this is the stomach lumen part. The stomach lumen with gastric juice which has a pH around 2. This mucus acts as a physical barrier to protect this inner parts. The gastric glands contain different types of specialized cells. The parietal cells. The parietal cells, they secrete HCl into the stomach lumen where it establishes an extremely acidic environment. It also secretes the intensive factor, a glycoprotein, secreted by parietal cells that is necessary for intestinal absorption of vitamin B12. That means the parietal cell secretes HCl. While there is another important cell, the chief cells. It secretes pepsinogen. Once secreted, pepsinogen is activated by stomach acid into the active protease pepsin. The epithelium cells also produce important hormones, gastrin, a peptide that is important in control of acid secretion and gastric motility. And another hormone is somatostatin. That means in conclusion, the gastric gland, there are basically two basic types. First is parietal cells and chief cells. The parietal cells secrete HCl while the chief cells secrete pepsinogen. The HCl is an important component of gastric juice while the pepsinogen, that is another. While when you see this gastric glands and their secretion, there are two important hormones. First is gastrin and somatostatin. This is the figure showing different types of glands and their locations. This is the gastric pit, this is the gastric pit. And along this pit, these glands are located. When you see this location of these glands, the location of the goblet cells towards this base, that is location for goblet cells. This produces mucus, while these are the locations for parietal cells and chief cells. This is another figure showing us this is the gastric lumen, these are gastric pits, mucous neck cells, chief cells, parietal cells and mucous mucosa.